Listen, Celia, I was young and a dick, but that's no reason to destroy the world.
Why does he do this?
We already tried that one.
Just got different words for different stuff.
So you just kind of wave, or we're talking.
Yeah. So are we recording yet? Are we? Okay. But
wait, David, one second. So I want to know: are we actually going to go over there? Oh yeah, Can you get me a drink? That'd be great. It'd be awesome to see this.
Hey, Barky,
yeah, right here.
Hey,
come over here.
Just doing it. You got something on your cheek right here, on your right cheek.
Right here on the cheek.
Yeah. There you go.
Perfect.
Right there.
Wait, thumbs up. Give him a thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
Yay.
up. Thumbs up. Yeah. Hey. Wait, we gotta do a double thumbs up. Hey.
I like this one. Come here.
Oh yeah. Come here. Come here. Wait. No. Wait. No. I think interaction.
Oh, you know what we can do?
Be great, but
let's play this game right here. Can we play this game?
No, you put yeah. I got it. Yeah.
This is too easy in VR.
God, I know that. Okay. I used to make people bleed from that, by the way.
Browser different from Roblox? Let's answer that question together by way